Hey, what's going on everybody and or anybody? I'm back at the old classic pond hoping to find some more fish today. It's warm and sunny, so it's really different conditions than it's been when it's been slow, so hopefully fish will be more active today. Let's go find out. First cast. Choked it, damn. Little guy. Let's see if we can get your big brother. I saw a few bigger ones in there. Oh, you tighten that drag. Oh man. That was a big bite, whatever it was. Let's throw it back out there. Hold on. There we go, perfect. There we go. Oh, bluegill, nice. You guys were probably what was just attacking me right before this. Look at that. That's a pretty fish. Last cast from this position. Unless I get bit. Oh. Speaking of, a little tiny bass. I gotta say, these guys are a lot of fun. There we go. That's somebody to take it. Let's see who we got. Nice, pretty bluegill right there.